Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Dear students, today we will be doing lesson number 4 of our English grammar book. The name of the lesson is Negative Sentences. Definition: a sentence having not or no in it is called a negative sentence. For example, she is not ill today. Example number 2, he is not rich. Example number 3, we have no holiday today. All these examples are negative sentences as they are having not or no in them. Now we will learn how to form a negative sentence. First, when the verb is some form of be, that is, are, am, was, were, we put not after the verb to make the sentence negative. For example, I am tired. In this sentence, am is the form of be, so to change this sentence into negative, we will write not after am and the sentence will be changed into negative. So the sentence we get is I am not tired. Example number 2, we are tired. Again, are is a form of be, so the negative sentence will be we are not tired. He is a liar, and the negative similarly will be he is not a liar. The money was enough. The money was not enough. Second, when the verb is has, have, or had, we use no to make the sentence negative. For example, he has some money. To change the sentence into negative, because it is having has in it, so we will write no after has and the sentence will be changed into negative. So the answer we get is he has no money. Example number 2, she had a beautiful dress. The negative sentence will be she had no beautiful dress. Example number 3, we have a holiday. And the negative will be we have no holiday today. Third, when the verb is made up of 2 or more words, we put not after the first word to make the sentence negative. For example, she is skipping. In this sentence, the 2 words are is and skipping. Both these words are verb. Is a helping verb and skipping is the main verb. So to change such kind of sentences into negative, we put not after the first verb. And the answer we get is she is not skipping. Second, they have arrived. The answer is they have not arrived. Third is he has got an umbrella. Again, the negative form of this sentence will be he has not got an umbrella, because in the positive part, has and got were the 2 verbs which were formed in the sentence. So to change them into negative, we have put not after the first word. He will leave today. The negative will be he will not leave today. Fourth is command sentences. To make command sentence negative, we use do not or don't in the beginning of a sentence. For example, close the window. Close the window is a command sentence, so we change it into negative. We write do not or don't before the sentence. So the answer becomes do not or don't close the window. Second is leave the room. Do not or don't leave the room. Third is sit down, and the answer will be do not or don't sit down. Dear students, now we will be start solving the exercise. Make the following sentence negative. First is his memory is sharp. To change this sentence into negative, we will put not after is. So the negative sentence becomes his memory is not sharp. Second is he has revised his lesson thoroughly. In this sentence, has and revised are the two words. So to change this into negative, we will put not after has and the sentence becomes he has not revised his lesson thoroughly. Third is I am satisfied with your work. The negative will be I am not satisfied with your work. Likewise, you all can solve the following exercise and check your answers from the answer key provided. Thank you, student. Stay safe, stay blessed.